Hi, what's up everybody? I am going to show you how to check your DV lottery results step by step using your computer or your cell phone. So I'm going to show you step by step. First, just add here, then just select your browser. I'm prefer to selecting this Google, then just write down here www.dvlottery.gov, I mean .state.gov. This is the right site of USA DV lottery to check your status, I mean your results. So click here, then after you click here, here is electronic diversity visa lottery. Thank you. The DV 2020 Diversity Visa Program registration period was between October 3, 2018 and November 6, 2008. All submission processing at this web site has finished. So DV entrance status check. You can check here. So when you just click here, you can just read it, but instead of reading it, to just save your time, here's how you're going to do. I'll show you here. Check status, it says. So check status, click it, then after you click it, it's busy because everybody's checking now. So alright, so now we are going to we are on the next page. So next, welcome, it says welcome. So now here it says continue with the blue background and white text. So we are going to click this. After we clicked it, this is the main page. Guys, I'm wishing you a good luck if you are just clicking with me and checking your status on email diversity visa. So the first thing you have to do is enter entrance information. It's a confirmation number. I hope you are your confirmation number on your phone or your printed paper. Here is the confirmation number. It says in the space below, type the confirmation number that was given when you applied. It says, yeah. So the confirmation number that was given when you applied, for example, I'm going fill here mine. So automatically just I just filled. So 27xg. I preferred to just show you with the capital letter. By the way, you can write with the capital letter or just small letter, it doesn't matter here. So 2020 here by default, here is it. So here is my confirmation number, xg 2027xg xrfehawd2 is my confirmation number. That is the first step to check your diversity visa. So next, here provide the last family name that was used on the diversity visa lottery form inclusion application. So here you must have to write your last name here. So my last name is here, Mangste, MANGST. This is mine, by the way, not for everybody if you are new here. So the next step will be here, birthday. The birthday, provide the year of birthday, permanent entrant, the birthday that it's on your submission confirmation number, submission confirmation interest paper. So I am going to fill my birthplace here. Then the last step will be here. This is the characters 459WC. So click here. This is my result, guys. You will check like this. Look, it says based on the information provided, the entry has not been selected for further processing for the electronic diversity visa program at this time. So it says here, if you can see here, it's the bold one, it's not selected. If you are selected, it says congratulations, you are selected, it says, but fortunately I'm not selected, so it says like this. So I hope this is supporting you, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and help me by subscribing this dead channel, and I will just provide you a best good information with a good voice. I know today is my voice not that much normal, so for the next time I will just arrange my voice and everything. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and giving your time, and I hope this tips helping you. So see you next time and have a nice time. Bye. God bless you.